In this video, I want to show you how to merge records, specifically organizations. You can see on the screen we have several records where the information is duplicated. For example, ABC Foundation is in here twice, and we've all done it. You either enter the data twice, or maybe you buy a list, you import it, for whatever reason, you get duplicate information. Furthermore, if I click into these records, I can see that this version of ABC Corporation has 4 contacts. And if I go back, the second version has 2 contacts and none of them happen to be the same. So I want to merge these 2 organizations together, and then I want to take all the associated records like the contacts or the opportunities or the activities and bring those all over as well. So everything's all together in one single organization record. To do that, all I have to do is click each record, and it's important to note that you can only do this with 2 records at a time. When you click those 2 records, you'll see that a merge button appears at the top. Simply click it, and what happens is a screen displays that shows you the differences between the 2 records. For example, the record on the right has a short name, and we use short names. It's a custom field in CRM Plus. We use it for an abbreviated name of the company, and we want to use that. So what we could do here is we can say, I want to grab all the fields from the right side, and that's going to go into our single company. And if I look down, it's pretty close. I don't have to do it that way though. I could say I want to pick and choose. So I want to say everything on the left is my primary because this is a client. And I want to grab the fields from the right that I want to pull over as well, like the short name and like the suite number. I might even want to grab this version of the address because the street is spelled out. And as you scroll down, you'll see some other information. The next step, for example, let's grab that. We can see the phone number is already listed on the right-hand side. The fax number is the same. But I'm going to grab the web address from the right-hand side. Pretty easy. And then I'm going to click OK and let the system do the work for me. This window will pop up that tells you that the merging is actually taking place in the background. And it's actually pretty quick, but it's not instant. So I'll hit OK, a refresh takes place, and nothing really changed. I'll hit refresh again, and it doesn't look like anything changed, but something did change. The second version of the company actually became inactive. So it actually doesn't delete that second record, it just deactivates it, but it moves all the associated records over to the primary, as well as all the fields that we wanted. So all 6 contacts come over. All the information, the next step, the phone, the fax, the website, the full name of the avenue, the short name. It's as simple as that.